Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the Oil India exam, how you can check your marks and rank, and what was the approximate cutoff based on the previous student who has already checked their rank, and based on that they will release the cutoff. So how you can check this, all these details we will discuss in this video. So you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any type of query, do mention in comment box. If you want to one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in the description box. You can go ahead and join the Telegram link. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, in the last videos I have already informed how you can download your response from the official website of Oil India. Once you have entered your roll number and date of birth along with the candidate registration number, you will move on official site where you will get the questions and answer which you have marked at the time of examination held by the organization. So once you have able to see your question paper, you need to just click on Ctrl S and you will pop up with the save option, and you need to select this web page HTML file only. Make sure that you need to do all these steps on your laptop or desktop. Do not use these things on your mobile phone because this option is not enabled for mobile phones. So make sure that you need to log in on your official website on a desktop, and after that you will get the details of your questions paper and answer sheet. You need to click on Ctrl S and you will land up with the web page HTML file. You need to save that because by default they will saved as a PDF files. So you need to save as a web page HTML file, and once you save that, then I need to provide a link which is a rank IQ link. This is not the owner of mine, this is provided by them, and this is a very helpful because in last time I have observed that for the PGCIL they have provided approximate same cutoff which is released by the official data, because it's happening I think more than 2 to 3 weeks before they have released the cutoff, and now they have matching approximate within 1 to 2 marks. In case of HPCL they have released around 145 marks and cutoff was 148. It's almost same with the predicted cutoff. So I'll suggest you can at least go with that, because some of the students telling about that the link which they have provided is the senior oil officers for the 2020 examination, but not as of now because they have updated. But even though he is not changing the web page or like a link name, but even though it's applicable for this year, because that the last time they haven't provided the link instead of the web page. Now this time they have provided the web page, you need to upload over there. So how you can check that? You need to just enter with the select HTML file which is provided by the official data, and you need to just upload on here and select your category. Once you select your category, select your branch which is mechanical, and also you need to select your shift. This is first shift or second shift. Once you land up with that, you need to enter any 4-digit password and click on submit. You need to tick and click on submit, and after that you will get the proper analysis of that particular examination, like how many candidates have already checked their rank and what was his marks compared to other candidate, and what was your category wise cutoff marks. All these details they have mentioned. This is only applicable when the more than 500 students are putting the link and check the answers, what was his getting marks and what was the expected by the other student, the range of marks which they have getting. So based on that they will announce the cutoff later on, but you need to check and get how much questions you have right, because you need to read and count one by one question. Instead of that you need to just put over here and you will get the idea how much questions you have done right and what was the question you have made a mistake. So all the analysis you will get on this web page. Sometimes this link is not working due to the maintenance or the number of student who is already exceed the number of limit, then that case the link has been not opening at all. So in such a situation you need to wait for some time. After that you need to log in it. So this is the information video. That's why I'll inform to all students who is already appeared this examination, get the idea how much marks you will get. If you are getting more than 80 marks, do mention in comment box. I want to know how many of candidate who is crossing 80 marks. So that's all for this video. If you need any other suggestion, do mention in comment box. If you want to feedback our videos, do mention over here as well. If you want to one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel because so many of students has already joined. And that's all for this video. Thanks.